So this is the e-filing platform of Text2Win. Here we will select the sources of income. Because we are filing ITR 4, we will select income from salary as no, income from house property as no, business and profession as yes, other sources, capital gain and foreign sources as no. If you have any doubts, you can check it from info icon here, and then we can click on continue. The next step is to add the financial details like the financial year. Relevant financial year for us is 2024-25. PAN number, date of birth. We can also prefill the data from the income tax portal. Here we are selecting as no and then continue. Next we will add client first name, middle name, last name, father's name, mobile number, mail ID as per the PAN, etc. Gender, and then continue. Next we will add the PIN code. If we'll add the PIN code, it will automatically select the country, state, city. Then we'll add the building and address, whole address, then continue. Next we will add the business details like the nature of business, name of business, registration number. We can select the nature of business from here, whether it is 44AD, ADA, AE from this drop down list. If the client has more than one nature of business, we can add the another business from here. If the client has more than one registration under the same nature, we can add the details from here. And then we will add financial particulars. As on 31st March, we will select it as yes, and cash balance is mandatory. We will add the details as provided by the client. Then we will click on continue. For claiming deductions, we will have to add the details from here. Under section 80C, we will have to provide the details of the type of deduction, amount and the document identification number. If the client has more than one type of deduction under section 80C only, then we can add it from here and select the another type of deduction like PPF, etc., amount and the document identification number. Then we'll go ahead on under section 80D. 80D, if the client has taken self, spouse or dependent health insurance, then we can add the details here, name of insurance company, policy number and the health insurance amount. If more than one insurance policy has been taken, we can add the same from here, from this plus sign. Then we'll add the details of the preventive health checkup, amount detail from here, and for parents, we'll add the details from here. Have you purchased any health insurance? Then click on yes and add the details, name of insurance company, policy number and health insurance amount. And preventive health checkup for the parents. Then we'll click on continue. In case client has provided any donation details, we can fill the details from here, like whether it is section 80G or 80GGC. We can select the section from here. For 80G, we can add the name of donee here, PAN of donee, donation in whether donation in cash or any other mode, and the donation amount and limit of deduction. The qualifying limit, is it with limit or without limit, we'll have to select it from here, and the percentage amount, whether it is 50% or 100% deduction. Then the donee address, PIN code and full address. And we can select another type of deduction from here, whether it is 80GG. If we don't have any other, we can just remove it. If we have any other, we can add it from here. Add donation. Alright, and then we can go on others tab. In this tab, you will see like there are all other deductions you can claim from here. If we have 80CCC, 80CCH and etc. and the amount you can add here. If you have any like more than one 80CCH or 80CCC, you can add it in different paras, in different lines. Under section 80D, 80U, you can select the member, disabled member. Here, if the section 80DDP is applicable, you can select the citizen, whether it is normal less than 60 years or senior citizen, name of specified disease and the total expenditure. Deduction for interest on loans, we can select whether it is higher 80E, 80EEE. Basically, it is the rest of the section other than 80C, 80D and donations. You can select the details from here. And then we'll click. Here we will add the bank account details of the client, like the account number, IFSC code, name of the bank and account type. And if this account is used for the refund, we will tick on the checkbox. And if another account detail is provided by the client, we can add the same from here. If we want to update the Aadhaar details, we can modify the same from here and then we can click on the continue. If client has provided 26 years in the PDF format, we can upload the same from here, from this link. And if we want to add the details manually, we can add it manually. Like here, if the tax is paid by the challan, through challan by the client, then we can add the details, PSR code, date of challan, challan number and the tax amount here. From here, we can add the TDS deducted details from 26 years. For every section, we'll have to add the details. Like under section 194A, the name of the section under which the TDS has been deducted, the name of deductor, ten of deductor, amount of on which TDS has been deducted, and that total TDS deducted. And for another section, we'll have to add another entry. Like under section 192, we can 194 we can add, and etc. etc. Then we can add here the details of TDS paid on rental income. If we have any, like the name of deductor, PAN of deductor, amount on which TDS deducted, total TDS deducted. Here we can add the details of TCS, name of collector, PAN of collector, amount on which TCS has been collected, and the total TCS collected. Then we can click on continue. Here we can select the type of filing, like the original return or the revised return or return filed again notice. We'll select as original return, and if these conditions are satisfied, we'll select as yes, otherwise no. Then we can click on continue. Then a comparative computation under both the regimes will be generated by text-to-win. First, we will select the regime we had opted for last year, that is financial year 23-24. Here we can see the comparison under both regimes. We can download the computation under new regime from here. It will download under PDF format, and for old regime from here. Then we will click on file my return and then continue. Then an OTP will generate on our Aadhaar registered number. We'll verify the OTP and then proceed. Then text-to-win bill details will be shown to us after appropriate discount. We'll click on pay now, and then you can add your billing address, etc. and then can proceed. And at the net banking, and then can send the response. Once you have made the payment, you will get an acknowledgement number, and you can then proceed for the e-verification of your return. Here you will get the option of e-verification. You can proceed with the Aadhaar OTP or the DMAT OTP or the bank account. You can select anyone you want. We are proceeding with the Aadhaar OTP. You can add here the Aadhaar registered number OTP. You can even change the method if you wish to, and then can verify, and then can proceed. You have successfully verified your return. You can download the acknowledgement from here. Download at your V. From here you can download the invoice from text-to-win. Happy filing with text-to-win.